So here we are, the month of June. The stats are out for the El Paso real estate market. Very interesting month. Again, I just want to tell you, I put these stats together for information. For I believe that knowledge is power, and if you have the knowledge in the real estate market, you'll be able to make better choices for you and your family. Whether you own real estate, you're thinking of owning real estate, or you're thinking of selling. In any sense, it's important to know what's going on with the real estate market. So the stats for June, again, reminder, these numbers are reflecting the month of May. We're a month behind, so these stats are really the month of May. And we are currently in June. But very interesting this month. The stats, everything in the grid went up. Every single statistic that I go over from month to month, it went up. So there was an increase. So some of it is good, some of it is bad, but technically everything is a good thing. The market is very normal. It seems very normal, but we're unsure where it's headed. We're in a very interesting time where the market's changing so fast, and a lot of things are affecting the market where we don't know where it's headed. But something we know for sure is that the demand for housing is still up and the inventory is still low. So that's a statistic that's pretty common nationally, but especially in the El Paso area. So for starters, the median home price went up. So that price point went up from the previous month. It's a very slight change, but we're in an increasing market. We're at the beginning of the summer, and this is increasing. I foresee this number to continue to go up towards the end of the year. The median price point, which is 255,900, that is a number that people are looking at, thinking prices are dropping or decreasing. We're not seeing that. There was some kind of dip in certain communities around El Paso, certain neighborhoods, specific listings, but overall the market has increased for the last few years. So very interesting there. Not a big increase, but it's gone up for sure. Closed sales, another number that went up. So closed sales was 716, 5.4% increase from the previous month, which it's not, again, the numbers are very minimally increasing, but they are increasing. But there's more homes that have sold. Just with that doesn't mean that the market's shifted or changed. We still have low inventory, like I mentioned earlier, and we need more homes to go on the market. So if you've been thinking about selling or holding off, this is the right time. If you've been thinking of buying and moving up, this is a good time to do that. And there's call me, I'll tell you in detail why that's a good time to do that. But it is a good time to do that, to sell and buy something else at this point. And then active inventory, so that one's up again slightly, not too much, 2.8%. So it's 1,860 homes were active in the MLS last month for the El Paso area. Okay, it's just slow inventory, so people are hesitant to making a move. There's not a lot of inventory out there, especially on resale homes, but this is not the case in new homes. I keep saying that. I said this for the last few months. New homes are a little bit different. Not everything that's a new house is on the MLS right now, for one. And new homes are a little different. A lot of builders have homes that could be built and haven't been built, or homes that are built and ready, and there's more options in new homes. Maybe people don't want to move to the outskirts of the town, which is not too bad for the El Paso area. Maybe people the new homes maybe are priced higher. I would say a new home starts off in the El Paso area, not in the city necessarily, but the El Paso area, the outskirts, around 250 something in the city. Right now, maybe starting in about 300s, really low 300s, and a resale, like we mentioned, is in the 250s. So that gives you more buying power to buy a resale. But on a new house, you get a lot more options right now. You get leverage, and that's where the deals are. That's where the deals are right now in the new homes. A lot of people are looking for that, waiting for the deals to come up. I've had investors buy new homes. I've had home buyers that are moving buy new homes. I've had upsized buyers getting to new homes. Those are where the deals are at. So there's plenty of inventory in the new homes right now. Price per square foot is another number that we look at, and it's gone up. It's about $148 a square foot. It's a slight increase again, just kind of like a medium price point. It's not too much, but it has gone up from previous months. Prices are going up overall, especially in new homes. That's where the pricing, you see it being a little higher, and that's where the inventory is kind of stagnant for a little bit. Then new listings that hit the market last month were about 1,024. Again, another number that's gone up. And then that's important because The new listings, they're it's going up a little bit, so we need new listings. So it doesn't mean just because it's going up that we have a lot of inventory. We're still low in inventory. That's just the common denominator here in this video. So we need more inventory, and the increase was 1.9%. So not too much. We're getting into the spring summer market, and that's going to be a factor for a lot more inventory. But they're just like more inventory is coming up, more buyers are coming up as well. And then the number I put to the end here is going to be days on market. So this number went up, meaning days homes are staying on the market a little bit longer, but it's normal. It's not, people are not jumping on the houses from the first minute they go see them or when they just come on the MLS. People are taking their time, buyers are taking their time and have more luxury of thinking it through a little bit, maybe a day or two. So days on market has gone up like to 15 days, right? It was like 14 days last month, so it's not a big difference. So there you have it. This is the real estate market report for June 2023. Let me know what you think. Where do you think the market's headed? Don't forget to follow and like my videos here. Have a great day.